to show you guys and unboxing the digital signage player from Hikvision. This is from Hikvision. So now you can try to unboxing the box. So inside the box, first we can see is a digital signage player, quick start guide for the manual. Okay, we put it aside first. Open up this, and you can see this is the digital signage player box from Hikvision. You can see it's a tiny box, square box. It's very handy and easy to handle. Okay, so we start from the interface. It has the LAN port, HDMI, TF card slot, audio in, audio out, and also the DC 12 volt power supply. On the side, we have the USB slot for your mouse or keyboard or any other hardware. So I'll talk about some of the main features. One of the main features is a flexible program schedule. It supports free schedule and district display of multiple materials. Support variable display modes, display by day, display by week, or you can customize it. And other from this, it can support centralized management, remotely control and manage one or more screens, such as time startup and shutdown, time brightness or volume, and screenshot previewing. So there is many more main features for this device. My friends will demo it in the later part of this video, so please stay tuned. Inside the box, we still have the power adapter, and also the remote controller.
I'm going to introduce about the software part for the Signage box. So by default, we need to go to the SFTP, Hikvision SFTP tools. That one is let us to have a look on the online device and setting the IP address for that. And we need to search by the model name. This one, DS-D60C-B, and then this one is IP address .90. And we go back to this software and add to the online. If the status is shown online, that means the Signage box, the LAN cable, all are wiring correct. So the next part is we're going to I delete the old thing first. Old schedule first. I do one more time for you all. And create program, first step. And the canvas size is got two options, which one is landscape and portrait. Okay, landscape and portrait is differentiated by your monitor. If your monitor is placed as a portrait, then you can set a portrait and the layout will be different. So my monitor is a landscape, so I choose the landscape. Okay, and this one is a whiteboard. Can let you to insert as many as you want of the picture, of the PDF file, of the template also can. So I add in a picture and also can insert the text here. And also small tools, the clock here. Yeah, and then this Signage box also can insert that IP camera. So by clicking here, the add button here, IP camera testing, and the IP address of the camera. Yeah, I show here. And if you feel that this whiteboard are too simply, and then you can insert a color. Yeah. And next step, we're going to schedule this task. Edit first. Create schedule, and then drag to here. Select your timing. I put it as 24 hours. Release, give a name, task 1. Select your device. Release success. And just now I setting as 15 minutes, and then we're going to show the monitor here. Yeah, you can see my monitor here as a demo here. So you can insert the IPC channel, you can insert the text file, you can insert a picture, PDF also can. So the software part will be quite easy, and this software is a free download. You can add on the device as a 50 pieces. For more than that, then we need to as charges lah. Okay, that's all for the software part.